Your 70 mic comes with this power adapter. Let's try to get it open. You can saw around the cylinder, but be careful not to saw through it, because that will break something. Saw around it. And when you get it open enough, you can just snap it open. You don't have to go all the way. Next, you can just pull the board out. Just wiggle it around and pull it. Then you need this fuse splitter. With this you can take some power from existing fuse from your fuse box. Let's do some soldering. I decided to solder it directly to the wire, so I'll cut that part away. And then let's expose the wire so we can solder it. I like to put something heavy over whatever I'm soldering, so it keeps it in place. Here I just remove the spring and put some solder to the wire. You warm up the wire with the solder and add the solder around. Let's put the wires through the cylinder. We can use it as a cover. You just need to put it before you start soldering. And here we solder the red wire where the spring was. I removed that clip so that it fits better. And now we solder the blue one where the clip is. Okay, here you can see. Then let's put the thing back together and wrap it with something. The more uglier, the more DIY it is. This is pretty ugly. Finally, you need to put a small fuse to the upper slot. The fuse you remove goes to the other slot. Then you need to wire the USB wire from the camera to your fuse box and replace a fuse with this thing and put the fuse to the lower slot. That's it, and try not to break your car.